Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you having trouble having connecting your modem to the internet after a reset? Don't worry, I've got you covered with these simple troubleshooting steps. First thing first, check if your modem is properly plugged in. Make sure the power cable, Ethernet cable and any other connections are secure. A loose cable is a common cause of connection issues. Now unplug your modem from the power source for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for the lights on the modem to stabilize. It may take a couple of minutes for the modem to reconnect. This simple step can often fix the issue if your modem's connection was interrupted during the reset. If your modem is still connecting, still isn't connecting, check your internet service provider's status. Sometimes outages or maintenance work in your area can prevent a connection. You can also call your ISP, which is your internet service provider, to confirm if there are any service interruptions or issue with your account. If none of the above steps work, perform a factory reset, which is you have to find the reset button, usually it's a small hole, and press it for 10 to 15 seconds using a paper clip or a pin. After the reset, you'll need to log into your modem setting through a browser or reconfigure it. Refer to your modem's manual or ISP internet service provider setup guide for correct settings. And that's how you fix a modem not connecting to the internet after a reset. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and this video was also helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.